Welcome to Cliff on Cars and Things. I'm Cliff. AMG has done such a good job on this car. You'll truly understand how good the Glc 63S AMG really is. What here in South Africa we term as the C-Class SUV. However, if you go for the GLC, you can make it a little bit more exciting and tick the option for the AMG. The Glc 63S finds itself in direct competition with the BMW X3M, the F-Pace SVR, including the Porsche Macan. If you do decide to tick the AMG box, then what you will get is a 4-litre twin-turbo V8 monster. A handcrafted engine built on the AMG's principle of one man, one engine. This is an all-wheel drive missile. 0 to 100, 3.8 seconds. The 4-litre twin-turbo deploys its power via a 9-speed, super fast, super smooth gearbox. I wasn't expecting the exhaust to be this good because really it is not a genuine exhaust. It's a tricked up exhaust. The quad pipes you see at the back are just there for show, and behind it is 2P exhaust pushing out the sound. However, this car sounds phenomenal. The ride does feel a little bit on the stiff side, but you can live with it. It won't really bother you. I think it's a good balance between sporty and comfort. Thank you, AMG. The 63S does sit on 20-inch wheels with a beautiful rim on it. When the GLC first came out, I took a look at it and I thought to myself, this is a lady's car. But now, oh no, I'm totally converted. This is a man's car. This is man meat. Inside the Glc 63S, you'll find what we've come to expect from the AMG brand. We have a well laid out infotainment system, touchscreen. It works very well. You're gonna find your Apple CarPlay, Android Auto, 360-degree cameras. Let's look at the steering wheel. For me, that's actually the first good looking AMG steering wheel since AMG. The exhaust? Well, let's just sit back and keep quiet. As the day winds to an end and we've had the privilege to drive this car up and down the mountainside, listen to its unbelievably phenomenal exhaust pipe. There with the AMG GLC 63S, Oh no, I'm totally converted. This is a man's car. This is Cliff on Cars. I'm Cliff.